Step into the heart of Barossa Valley as we explore the magic of sunset sips, capturing the essence of Barossa's legendary evening gatherings. One of South Australia's most cherished traditions, the Barossa Vintage Festival, where each year locals and visitors come together to celebrate the valley's rich heritage and vibrant community spirit. Bathed in the warm colors of the setting sun, friends, family, and neighbors share stories, laughter. This is more than a festival, it's a tribute to the people, history, and culture that shape the region. As the sun dips below the horizon, listen as winemakers and locals share what makes Barossa's soil, climate, and traditions so perfect. How Barossa Valley connects people through simple pleasures, reminding us that some of life's best moments happen when we gather together, surrounded by nature's beauty. Sunset sips, and experience the timeless charm of Barossa's sunset celebrations.